Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get PayPal money off hold and try to get fixed. So from your browser, open your PayPal account, and as you can see, these are examples of my transactions. So what we're going to do if there's on hold on our account, so let's go on tap the activity from this home page. So you see there next to the wallet, in between wallet and help. So tap on the type, or you can search over here the type of the payment or that you have, or the type of transaction that you have, whether it's automatic payments or received, refunds, transfers, or reported transactions. So click any of those, and then as you can see, since my account doesn't have any transaction, you can tap on the status and see here on holds. So tap holds, and all of the payments that was put into hold would be shown in here. So for example, this one, okay, I have a payment here. The first month that I have, the payment was on hold, so I've sent a notice or a note that the money that was sent to me was still on hold, and the reasons why it was hold. So you can go to the help button for you to know the reasons why sometimes your money will be put into hold, especially if you just created your PayPal account. So that's for the safety and verifying purposes. So one of the reasons here is that they hold the initial payments that you have received up to 21 days, which is very common industry practice to cover any potential buyer complaints that may happen in that time. So just wait for 21 days if the hold money is now available on your balance account. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.